This is a rather simple but powerful application here which has a built-in VPN feature. Here, just a regular browsing experience where you can go ahead and search, as you can see here, and as well you can tap on this option as well to enable the VPN feature. So with this here, you'll be able to choose whichever server, which country you want to connect to, and you'll be able to browse with that specific IP and support. So very, very powerful. So here you can choose the continue with free servers, and it will pretty much just ask for connection request. It will start connecting in no time. As you can see, I'm currently connected. So anytime before you're trying to browse with this application here, do make sure to connect to their VPN or their built-in VPN that they offer. And as well, you can tap on this option down here and select this option here as well to get more information as it relates to their VPN setup. So you do have the traffic mask feature here as well, which you can enable. You have other servers which here you can select, but these are pretty much premium servers. So you're gonna need a subscription from this application here to use these other servers. So a very good application, does offer a built-in VPN which you can use, as you can see here, and the fastest premium server which you can use as well. So to get the premium subscription as it relates to this application here, and to disconnect this VPN, all you have to do is just tap on this option here and it will be disconnected. So to get your subscription for this here, very, very simple. All you have to do is tap on the option down here, then go in the profile section. You may need to sign in to see their subscription page, or you can tap on the gift box at the top here and you'll be able to see their subscription page. They do offer a 7 days free trial as it relates to their subscription, and they have a monthly subscription and a yearly subscription. As you can see here, pretty much what to be getting with their subscription. So very, very powerful browser application which has a built-in VPN as well. So here, pretty much standard, similar to Google Chrome, you'll be able to browse. Everything is there. You have the download section here, you have the tab section, you have the private section, pretty much everything as it relates to using a browser. And just an added feature, you also have a AI option which you can use, but you pretty much will need a subscription for using it long term. But you do get the option to use a 5 requests per day, as you can see here. But if you want to use it unlimitedly, you'd have to get your subscription. But that's really pretty much it for this application here. Very, very good application, not gonna lie. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if we can help you. See you in the next one.